Welcome back to the JLPT N5 grammar series. If you're just starting out with Japanese, mastering polite speech is essential, and this video will help you do just that. Today, we'll dive into one of the most basic yet important words in Japanese, the copula desu. In English, desu is often translated as to be, but in Japanese, its main function is to make a word polite by simply attaching it to that word. It is especially useful for words that do not have their own polite conjugation, unlike verbs. By adding desu at the end of a noun, adjective, adverb, or even the conjugated form of a verb, you can instantly make your sentence more formal and polite without changing its meaning. However, since verbs have their own conjugation patterns, desu is rarely used with them. Let's take a look at an example to make this clearer.
これは本。
This is a book. Casual.
これは本です。
This is a book. Polite. As you can see, simply adding desu makes the sentence more polite while keeping its meaning the same. Let's go through a few more examples.
彼は先生。
He is a teacher. Casual.
彼は先生です。
He is a teacher. Polite.
今日は寒い。
Today is cold. Casual.
今日は寒いです。
Today is cold. Polite. This small change makes a big difference in how your Japanese sounds. An important thing to remember is that desu has past form, but you don't always have to conjugate it directly. Instead, the state of the word before desu determines the meaning of the sentence. Let's break it down with some examples. Using desu with nouns.
元気です。
I am fine.
元気じゃないです。
I am not fine. Using desu with adjectives.
甘いです。
This is sweet.
甘かったです。
This was sweet. In these examples, you can see that the meaning and tense change depending on the conjugation of the word before desu. This flexibility makes it easier to express yourself in Japanese. One important rule to remember is that e-adjectives do not take deshita directly. For example, e-adjectives plus deshita is grammatically wrong. We will cover more details on the conjugation of desu in another video. We're almost at the end of this lesson, but before we finish, let's take one more look at the desu grammar formula. Noun, plain, past, negative, and past negative form, plus desu. E-adjective, plain, past, negative, and past negative, plus desu. Na adjective, without na, plain, past, negative, and past negative, plus desu. Adverb plus desu. Now it's your turn. Try making a polite sentence using desu. Write your answers in the comments below. And that's it for today's grammar point. Now you know how to use desu to make polite sentences in Japanese. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next lesson. See you next time.